your dream. So based upon your view, let us begin the class. I think you are seeing the screen, the first topic as an introductory topic for this ventureship. I used to tell in all the classes the story of a person. That is why today class I have given the topic as can we challenge the contradictions? Because if you want to select this course, you will have some vision. Maybe we never expect you to be an entrepreneur or venturer immediately after this course. It takes more time. You will work in an organization, or you may work for another 10 to 15 years. After that, you may have an ambition to enter into a entrepreneur. That is our vision of this course. By this time, how you are going to consider others, that is very important. So in this course, when you are joining in this course, you should have some determined powers. These are all the activities we need for a student to start a course in ventureship. So you change your mindset. You should be a determined person when you are studying. This is not like any other courses, because here we are going to discuss numerous stories. From the stories only, we are going to find out the concept. Usually in case of science, we will study the concept first, then we will discuss the application. But here, the method will be reversed. So dear students, you should have the determined power. That is why I used to say that you should have the vision of an eagle. You are able to see all of your friends at a time. That means you are able to see the entire globe within 360-degree vision. That is the power you need. Even though now you are as an age of 20 plus, when you are attaining the age of 40 plus, you are able to achieve that one. So my aim is change yourself in such a manner that you should have a determined vision. You are able to identify a nice opportunity, and you have to protect yourself and your family. You should have an authority over others. Very important thing. Authority in the sense you are able to lead others. Then you should have a mental strength also. Mental strength means you have the power to take the risk clearly. Your friends may say anything, but you should have the power of taking that risk and solve easily. That means take it easy policy with your strength. Then you are able to control your own power of stamina as well as your own power of defending others. That is very important thing. In case of business or in case of your personal life, anything may come. Anything may come in a negative side also. You are able to control that one. That is why in this course, what we have planned, we will have a case study discussion also. How you are controlling yourself, how you are controlling your friends, then the freedom of doing the activities. You should have the freedom of expression. Then only the power. If all these things comes, definitely you will focus on your career plan. You will have a vision of doing something in future. Your spirit will be a successful one. In this course, you will obtain the skill. That is why you have a vision to change, like I can do, I will do it. You have to come across number of things. Whatever the activity or job given to you or taken by you, either physically or mentally, with others or with your family members, you should have the power that I will do. If you are thinking like that, you are the successful person. That is why in this course, we are aiming that the slogan for us should be, I will do. You are able to do anything at any place at any cost. Such type of things should come. Of course, there may be resistance from your family, your friends, but if you are having a vision, you are able to do at anything. So what your answer will be, all the stage you have to achieve. I want to do it, I can. I want how to do, I will try, I can do, I will do, but I am expecting, yes, I did it. Your management capacity should be like this. Yes, I did it. So whatever the thing we are discussing in the class, there should not be any negative feelings. Even though some of the journalism students are there, psychology students are there. So when there's a question regarding the no, you should not answer no. You have to say yes. Even the answer is no. Say for example, I will ask 1 plus 2 is equal to 8. Do you agree? Immediately you will say no. How will you say 1 plus 2 is equal to some other number? 1, 2 plus equal to only 3. You are saying 8 or 5. You should not say no. How you have to answer then? You have to answer in a positive manner. If you make a small mistake, you will get the answer 1 plus 2 is equal to 8. See that one. Such type of positivity should come among you. So I expect you have to answer, you have to discuss either in our WhatsApp group or in our class in a positive manner. That is the very, very important characteristics of a human being if you want to have a vision for your future. Purposefully, I will ask the question that the answer is negative thing. You have to make it as a positive statement. You may not have a lunch, but I will ask Gibson whether you had your nice lunch. Even though Gibson may not have his lunch, he has to say, yes, sir, I will have after 3:30. Instead of saying no, you have to say, I will have by 3:30. Such type of positivity thing should come. That is my expectation. Whether you are able to do, come on. Why? I expect positive answer from you. Whether you are able to say yes everywhere. Come on, students.
Yes, sir.
Only one answer yes is coming.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. That's what we expect. So everywhere you have to answer in a positive method. Okay. That is why even though the things are very big, you have to say, I will do it myself. Don't worry, I will not give assignment like that. Whatever the things it may be, you should have the capacity that I will do it myself. That is the power of you. You have to explore your own power. That is the present things you need. So in this course, I have already circulated the video among the group. If you are not joined in the WhatsApp group, you can join. This is our LMS. In this LMS, I clearly mentioned what are our course outcomes, how you are going to achieve. So what are all the contents we have clearly given? And my request, there is one pre-test as the student's activity. And today or tomorrow, try to complete that one. Because I wish to know your level. Never assume that you have to score more marks. It is not for marks. It is not for assignment. Okay. Try to complete the pre-test so that I will understand your level of thinking. That is the aim of the pre-test. So today, try to attend the pre-test. Okay. Another thing, today's news. Before going, yes, Ramya.
Yes, sir. So by when we can finish the pre-test?
Anytime I will give you time for 3 days. It is just 10 questions. Don't worry. Objective type only. Hmm? You
Yeah,
can
yeah, sir.
answer.
Just asking for
Even
the.
your answer is 0, don't worry, because you should have a positive mind. Hmm? It is only for checking the knowledge for me, not for you. Then only I can understand in which level I can teach to you. That is the aim. Okay. So
Yes.
let us, okay, good, Ramya. You can see one of the news clipping what I have taken recently. Now in India, unicorn is booming. I think you may surprised to know what is the concept of unicorn. It is a simple thing. If any business person is having an asset value or the business value more than $1 billion, then he is considered as an unicorn business. That is a jargon used in the business. Previously in India, till 2012, we didn't face any problem, but none of the startups are said to be unicorn. But after 2012, Indian business is grooming, especially the startups are coming. And that too in Bangalore, the business is moving very, very fast. In this juncture only, we are having this course. So I expect your vision should be by 2040, at least by 2040. And some of them are having courage to even achieve within 2 or 3 years. But I expect by 2040, you will be an unicorn member. Unicorn member means your asset value, your property value should be $1 billion. That means you are growing your asset by using your mindset in an ethical manner and achieving your business goals. That's what I expect. Okay. We will start today's discussion with a simple news so that you will understand who is an venturer. We are having just 5 minutes remain. Within these 5 minutes, we'll discuss a small story. I think I have shared to the group of WhatsApp already. Some of you might have read that one. To understand the concept of an venturer, who is called the venturer? Here is a nice story which has been taken by one of the newspaper very recently. The news items are done recently. Here they mention revealing the secrets of entrepreneurship by Hartik Jetwa. He is considered as an young Indian entrepreneur under 30. And you can see under the age of 30, that is most of the startup entrepreneurs are in the age group of 20 to 24. By that time itself, they are able to achieve, usually in theory, by the age of 40 or 45, most of them may be a unicorn business. But now it is not like that. In case of India, most of the young people are coming. When you read the story of this person, he is a bachelor from computer engineering. He started working as a website development professional. for an IT company. You can see he worked in an organization and he developed some of the website since he was working under the IT company for 3 years. When he was working in that company, he identified what are all the new talents, how to attract the customer. He learned everything. That is very important. You may go for a job, but the aim is you must learn. That is important thing. Job is not for earning money. Those who are studying psychology or in computer science or in biotechnology, they may join and work in an organization. When you are working in an organization, you have to learn how these people are gaining income, how these people are doing the business. That is very important thing. That is why we used to tell that first work in an organization for 3 years or 5 years, then you can start your company. You will learn everything from there. Same thing, you can see 3 years he worked in an organization and he learned everything. Based upon his knowledge, he created a small company called as Eminent Coders in the year 2015. But that organization even now is having only 20 employees. With the help of just 20 employees, he is earning minimum of 2 crores per month, and every year he is earning $1 billion. See that one. Usually unicorn company means more asset, minimum 200 persons were there. You can see Infosys, Wipro, or some of the mind-blowing companies. They are very big companies. They are earning. Their employee strength is also high. But this person, till now, he is having only 20 employee strength. With the help of 20 employee strength, he started working. He commenced his own business. You can see in this news, he get the finance from Eminent Overseas, because for any business we need fund. For this purpose, he get the fund from Eminent Overseas and he started himself his own business, and now he is considered as an unicorn entrepreneur. So here is an interview from that person. One of the news agency asked about him, what is your success? He told a simple thing. One does not necessarily need any investment, but determination. Dear students, same thing. If you are having a determined mind, if you are able to identify the risk and make it as a take it easy policy, you are the successful person. You are considered as a professional person. Be clear. That's what he simply mentioned. Determination and courage to taking calculated risk. Whether you are able to take the risk easily, you are a successful professional. Now you find it very difficult if any risk is coming, but you should have a determination power to change. It is not as a risk, it is a daily work. If you consider that one, you are a professional. Then what does entrepreneurship mean to you? This answer you can see, it is a continuous effort of moving towards your vision. That means there is no end. Dear students, same thing. There is no end for the business. You have to work. Work in the sense your mindset should work, not physically. Even the physical work is there, but mindset should work without even anticipating huge results. You should not aim for very big amount. He mentioned like that in the beginning stage, but your vision should be very clear. If your vision is very clear and if you are able to work towards your vision, then you are the called as the entrepreneur. Dear students, that's what is mentioned. Same thing. If you want to know who is an venturer, venturer is simply a person who is ready to have a vision, very important thing. Then a person who is having a determined power to take the risk. Whether you are able to take the risk without some sort of determination, I can't do, I will do, I did it. Then, very important thing, you should not anticipate any huge result because you are working for your vision. Result may come, but your aim is future stake. Then you are called as an venturer. Okay. So dear students, based upon this simple news clipping, you are able to know who is an venturer. Venturer is a person who is having a vision, determined person who is ready to take risk, and he has to work continuously without anticipating any big result. Then he is called as an venturer. Okay. So dear students, with this we'll conclude today's class. Tomorrow we'll have a nice story about one of the dosawala from Mumbai. I think some of our friends are from Mumbai. We will discuss the case of the one of the famous retailing chain unit in Mumbai. That is the Dosa Plaza. Okay. And I will post one question in the group. You can try to answer. Don't assume that you have to get score. I will put one link in our group and one question about today's discussion. Try to answer. Don't worry whether you are answering correctly or wrongly. Tomorrow we will once again meet you. Until then, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.